I heard there was a secret chord, a Devi played that pleased the Lord. You don't really care for music, do you? It goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fourth, and the major lead. The baffled king composing Hallelujah, 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 Hallelujah. Your faith was strong, you needed proof. You saw her best in on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight overthrew you. She tied you to the kitchen chair, she broke your throne, and she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew Hallelujah, 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 Hallelujah. Baby, I've been here before. I've seen this room and I walked this floor. I used to live alone before I knew you. I've seen your flag on the marble arch. A love is not a victory march. It's a cold, it's a broken Hallelujah, Hallelujah, Hallelujah.